Hi everybody, this is Guru Francis, Big Boy Escrimador, and today's another sneak peek of what I'm going to be showcasing at the Big Boy Escrimador Method to His Madness seminar in Olympia, Washington on September 25th. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Guru Francis, Big Boy Escrimador, and today I'm going to be doing another sneak peek of what I'm going to be showcasing at the Big Boy Escrimador's Method to His Madness seminar. But before I do that, I want to say special thank you to our sponsors, Mando Core, who makes the best lightsabers or sabers in the business. Let me show you one of them. Right. So this is actually the FMA version of the lightsaber. It's about the same length as the regular stick right here. So yeah, and check this out. Yes, so these are really, really cool. And of course, we want to say a special thank you to our other sponsor, Tack Knife. They make one of the best trainer swords, knives out there in the business. So visit them at tackknife.com. So today we're going to talk about the woo effect. What is the woo effect? It's WOO, weapons of opportunity. So I'm sorry, I know many Filipino martial artists might be upset with me on this one, but there's always that constant question, what if you don't have a stick? Well, the truth of the matter is we don't walk around with sticks all day long, right? We walk around, we just basically empty-handed, right? One of these that I carry is one of these. This is called an O-Light, right? And this is the Warrior Mini 2. This is something that just fits directly on my non-dominant side. I'm right-handed, so it's on my left side, right? Because this is my tertiary weapon, and I'll show you guys the other two in another time. But this is my tertiary or my third choice weapon or tool. Okay. Now, what I love about this is that it fits into mine like a combatant. So if you're a Filipino martial artist, you already know how to use this aspect of it, right? But the one thing that a lot of people don't realize why a flashlight is so good is because it does this, right? This strobe light effect stuns your opponent. Okay. So for example, I have here my student Jeremy to practice with me to showcase this for you guys. So when he punches, I can parry out this way, check this way here, and flash him right into the eyes. And in those split second of the disorientation that the light is giving to him, could be enough time I need to completely, take care of my opponent or run away, whichever is the most least chances you're gonna go to jail. Okay. So again, if he punches, boom, flash him in the eye, he punches me the other side, boom, and I can use the actual flashlight as a impact weapon as well. So this is one of the things that we're going to be talking about, weapons of opportunity, or what I like to call the woo effect. Until then, don't forget to register for the seminar. It's going to be September 25th, 2021 from 12 to 6 p.m. The website's right here. So register at the early bird, because the early bird, you're going to get a t-shirt and you can order sticks as well. Now, if you wait for the angry bird, which is more expensive, but it also means that you're not going to get a t-shirt and we won't be able to sell you any sticks at that point. So register as soon as possible. And we only have 30 spots, guys. So once those spots are gone, it's gone forever. Until then, my name is Guru Francis, Big Boy Escrimador. Peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them sticks.